9:57 in the morning, Wednesday, July 24th. I'm at Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. You can see a tuna right there. Prickly pear cactus fruit. Got some damage. Bird started eating this. And look at the granjeno. Granjeno's already got some fruit. And a granjeno's a hackberry. I won't check out the. I don't know if that was a rabbit. The camera couldn't pick it up. Don't know if it was a rabbit or a bird. I was gonna check out some of the ponds. But I'll just skip them. See, that way it's gonna take me to the other ponds. So yeah, let me just come this way. It's got a little bit of water, not much. Got all the erosion from the water, from the rain. See, this pond has a little bit of water, doesn't have a lot. Just enough for a thirsty mouth. Oh, there's a snake. I don't know, it's a ribbon snake. Small little snake. No way of me going that way. I can't follow it. There you go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go out of the water. Just so far away, I can't pick it up. I don't know what it would eat here. Maybe a frog. It's too small of a snake. Oh, it stayed in the water. So let me just move on. Slender. First time I see a snake here. Continue walking. It's very muddy. I'm gonna cut the video. I hear voices.